Hello friends, welcome to Simple Tech Solve. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of unwanted notifications on your Android mobile phone. If we just roll down our top hidden screen, we might see lots of notifications over here. Though at the moment I don't have enough because I just removed all these. You might have seen lots on your phone, and these notifications sometimes are very annoying. Even if we try to remove this from here, it does not work. It just keeps repeating, and these notifications may also interrupt with the normal speed of your phone, so it is better to get this removed or blocked permanently. And I will show you how to do that step by step. Just stay with me. First, on your home screen, open Google Chrome. Just to let you know that most of the notifications we are receiving from various sites through Google Chrome browser. So what we need to do, we have to check or block those sites through Google Chrome. So first open your browser, that is Google Chrome browser, and here we can see on top right hand corner three-dot menu. Just up here a window will open up, and go to settings and open your settings. So once you are on settings, then just scroll down to site settings. Here you can find it, open site settings, and on this screen here you can see site settings. Just below site settings, all sites, top here. So it will take you to another window, and here you can see lots of sites. Actually, every now and then we are receiving our notifications from these sites, and what we need to do, if we want to stop any individual or specific site from sending us notification, then the way we can do it is just tap that site. For example, I want to stop or block www.foxsports.com.au. so what I need to do, tap this site, then another screen will show up, and here you will be given options. So down here you can see clear and set. So just touch here, and then again clear and set. You see that site is removed. So it is removed permanently, and this specific site will not be able to send me notifications anymore. So this way we can repeat the same to every individual site, like tap here, then clear and reset, again clear and reset. So do the same thing to every site here, and remove all sites from here by simply tapping clear and reset this way. Once you remove all these sites, and you will see you will not be receiving any more notifications, and this problem will be solved permanently. Now, as we have cleared and reset all the sites from our site settings, just we need to do another simple thing, and that I'm gonna show you. From your home screen, open Google Chrome again on top right hand corner, three-dot menu, tap here and go to settings and open it. Just scroll down to notifications and tap, and you will see here a notifications bar will open up, and just scroll down. Here you can see just below sites show notifications. So what you do, you need to simply disable it like this. So that's all. Now you will not be receiving any more notifications even from here, and this way we can get rid of these unwanted notifications permanently. And that's all from Simple Tech today. Thank you guys for your patience and watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.